Hey, let's take a look at what happens if we import these simple models which you had for our voice feline Unity sample into Unreal Engine with Lumen and Nanite and everything. What I did was that I did a quick test, exported everything in this scene as an FBX file, and then imported the FBX into Unreal Engine, didn't modify any specific thing, did not do anything special. What I did was that just basically imported whatever was exported into Unreal Engine. So this is what we have in our Unity sample, and it's relatively simple, as you can see here. Now, in Unreal Engine, it looks pretty different, as you can see. So, same TV and couch. Also the shadows and everything else you can see. Both can be made look better, I'm sure, but it's just a small fun experiment, not a serious thing. And that's it. However, the Unreal sample like doesn't use the models, the live simulation sample, because it needs a bit of additional work, but we might do it in the future. But since the models were not that optimized, we haven't done it so far.